Good morning, guys. Happy new month to us all, and you are welcome to today's trade idea and signal. And today being the first day of November, we'll be doing an extra work, and we will try and see what we set our monthly projection. And before we do that, I would like us to review what we've been capitalizing on from previous days. So we are on daily time frame now. And when I started this analysis for us, I begin when we are down here. And I made myself clear on my expectation on this leg that we have here. I set this to be my strong guy, which is actually being protected with the downtrend that we have. But I'm kind of like, okay, we've have enough long downtrend here, and I'm expecting a kind of reversal into this leg to give us a kind of fair value before this place will be taken. And the kind of reversal that we have kind of give us a projection that, okay, we have enough sustainability to go into this level. So reviewing what we've done in the past, let's go on lower time frame. Okay, before we do that, we have this shift here. It is a very nice reversal for us, Abby. The reversal pattern that we can capitalize on. And for the past few days, we've been capitalizing on this leg. We initially picked this last range to be our range, and we were able to take some trades within the range. So let's review as a projection for the at this level we get traded, and it will be acted on yesterday. But the market didn't give us the kind of the type of reversal that we want. And we can see that the levels that we have here is being acted. Pointed out that, okay, if we're going to have some kind of reversal into this level, I believe it might be. And that was the reason why I said it's not good for us to have a trade against our direction. The move will start from this place. So then it went ahead, give us a kind of reaction, but eventually fail, price lower. Then we transcend it up. But it comes down and tag this level again, but give us a kind of, which this reaction alone owed. So I'm not going to delete the order. I'll still be standing with my order. And what I'm going to kind of do is even increase this place look too clean. And I believe that that's the reason why I have a kind of reaction into this level and move forward. So what we're going to do is to still keep the trend. I would kind of like, okay, make it into 15, increase the reward on it, which will be 15 times. I believe the level should be able to give us 75 pips return if it's eventually, because the levels here has been invalidated already. And, if you've been following me for a while now, you understand why we have this level broken. And we've had our projection on it. So this level here. So the reason why we have this flip here and we have this TC, but the kind of reaction we are having, this candle that we have here, this down close candle that we have here is a kind of news reacted candle. So all these things, since we are today new month is opening today, and we can expect some kind of 1 to 5. So which I believe this level that we are picking here should be able to produce and give us 75 pips. The same thing with this one. We're going to do that with this one too. So this one, this I was taking. So, but anything that happen in the market are out of the market. So I'm only risking 1%, 2% on the two trades, 1% on each. So regardless of wherever happen in the markets, no loss. We are playing numbers game. So we are only working towards at least winning 40% of our trades. We can't be trading and expect 100%. So, but the way we position ourselves with our risk and reward should make us, at the end of the day, even if our losses is greater than our wins, we should still be good, which we are practicing here. So I'm expecting this level to be taken because the kind of reaction we are having here, if the kind of imbalance in the market, but what is doing here, moving in consolidation, is something that I am not pleased with. Is my expectation, like I said, my expectation of the market is different from what the market will do. But having a strategy will help you to project your expectation. And if your strategy has been tested over time, then you can be rest assured that okay, is a probability game. It might end up giving you something. So that's the reason why we turn it to numbers game. And that's the reason why personally I'm using limit order. Not that I'll be running after market here and there without giving myself enough time to analyze the market. So that's about this trade. So kind of that's my own. It's still my own trade today. I'm not having any trade on T because yesterday was market monthly close, and today is new month open. So we're still we have this level here again, this level, but I'm not expecting it. So this level is very clean. We have an imbalance here, but the fault that I have this with this level, let's hide this so that we can kind of trade it appropriately. Create a new chart so that it should be clean. I'm going to retain my annotations. the above this I didn't take liquidity, neither does it take anything. So I'm not expecting it to hold. And if it holds, still part of it. That's how it is. Nothing. We are only playing probability game. So this level here can be taken out of the market, and of course that's 1 hour time frame. But this leg did not fall. I'm expecting this low. So that's my expectation for today. Today today is Friday, nothing much is expected. So even today we might not, in the sense that today being new month, the day that new month can be opened, we'll be expecting some kind of manipulation. And what's the essence of manipulation other than taking liquidity? So, and I'll be holding on to this. I'm not seeing any trade yet because all these things are not giving me what I want, and that will be all. But let's set our monthly projection. Let's work on monthly and see what we can capitalize on. Okay. Let's see what we can capitalize on. Okay, let's delete some things. Or let's just hide them. So let's delete this. It's not of no use. This leg was taken on weekly, so this levels here, we don't need them for now. Let's delete them. I'm not gonna need it now. It's needed. Okay, let's just hide them. So this rectangle too, it's beading, horizontal reading. So this trend line too, it's beading. Okay. Monthly. Let's try to see what's monthly are for us. Okay. Monthly, the market has been ranging, and it has been ranging. Okay. This low, it has been ranging somehow. Okay. Okay. We have this level here. We are trading between this level, but we have internal structure here, and the internal structure has been taken. So let's look close. Okay, let's pull another trick then. Let's have that's the monthly high. That's a monthly high. Previous monthly high. So low. Previous monthly low. And here will be our previous monthly open. So it's going to be MCO and exactly in that place monthly open. So we're going to use open high low close. What we are expecting is of high or low to create his own high and it creates its own low. But based on what we are expecting, if we are using open high low close, then we know the market will open here. And if it's going up to kind of give us a manipulation below, then we have an impulsive move above, and market will kind of give us some type of retracement. Then this monthly has opened now, and so consider it okay. It break this candle, and it did take into this place before this level can be broken. So which means we can have this level being retested, or we check on weekly, maybe we can have it retested. So then can kind of have, as it opens now, manipulate below into this leg before giving us some kind of movement here, and it might likely create an internal structure within this candle, and with an impulsive move downward, then can expect that maybe this place to be broken, but we can kind of expect some movements up before going lower. And based on our trade, can expect that okay, if it's coming down like this, and run into that other block that we are expecting on 1 hour before coming down. So it can kind of be like, okay, so we are opening here, the market opens here, then uses the other block to move, might not get this level, but anyway, this level, the market can come down, creating an internal structure with this candle here, and breaks will happen. But for now, this is my initial projection. Then I'll wash out based on my 1 hour expectation. Then we'll continue to follow but this kind of give us some expectation in the market, and we can well, don't forget we are also at the end of the year, months in the year, so we'll be moving to year close to. So what we are seeing here, we can anticipate some movements. We have a lot of things to capitalize on. Let's move on quickly and see what we can see. Okay, we're having some kind of structure shift here, which means today, and we can see that this internal structure was broken. It's been traded above now, so anything can happen in the market. So we have this level here, which can be traded into this mitigation block, sending price lower, and we have imbalance here. So we have another imbalance here. So I need this to be our major structure, major leg. So we have our weekly major strong guy. Then here becomes our low. Trying to see the 50% of this leg that we have here. Okay, 50% is lying on the internal structure that we have here. So anything can happen in between this leg. So can have markets trading into this level here, and it can transcend it into this imbalance that we have here, weekly imbalance, before sending price lower. So day by day, every day, we'll be coming here to see what we can capitalize, some kind of expectation in the market. So I believe it's going to be a good month, by God's grace, and we're going to do our due diligence. And always remember, this is not a trade, it's not a financial advice. That's a disclaimer there. It's not a financial advice. Always apply good risk management. It is called trade ideas and signal for a reason. So it's not a trade advice. So that's my projection for the month, to have a kind of movement into these levels that we have here before sending price lower, and you'll be expecting this monthly low to be raided, and these are previous monthly high to be protected. So I'll be expecting markets to send us going up into these levels that we have here. This mitigation block, we have fair value gap above it, we have internal structure before it, and this internal structure mitigation block, but there's a little gap there, and price lower, then this fair value gap before markets gets to this level, except we want to kind of have some inside bars. But nonetheless, we are here together throughout the month, then we'll be acting on. Let's move on to daily. We've been analyzing daily all this while. Then daily, okay, see our marked internal structure that can send price lower. So we have this daily imbalance, and this price leg actually did mitigate this imbalance that we have here. So we can just have this double. So if you are a long-term trader, I will suggest you take your trades from this in to be your profits. So if you're going to kind of have that, so if we're going to have some kind of monthly trade, that's 46 pips been taken. So that's 1 to 4 trades for the whole month. So if you're a long-term trader, let's increase it to 46 pips. Yeah, 46 pips. Want to take it, and the fair value gap that we are you want to kind of like say maybe the price we had from actually did have some mitigation, internal structure, and so that would be our monthly projection. Personally, I don't think I'm going to take this trade, or we can just have it that way. And if you want to kind of have it, you can increase it to 46 times 5. That would be 230 pips. So that level should produce 230 pips. So which will be 1 to 5 fresh reward. So if you want to take that trade, that would be our monthly trade, monthly expectation. So that's that. Get something happening. I'm very sorry for the break in the video. My network just went off. My router went off. So I have to quickly plug it in so that we can continue the video. So now, this will be my monthly projection, and we'll be working with that. So going on lower time frame, and if we'll be lucky enough, we can have buying just above that, then okay, we can have a price sending, we can have that level sending price above this level. We have this, I believe this international visual market is unable to close above that low. Okay, let's monthly trade. I'll be expecting, but don't forget that we have on daily lie perfectly on our expectation. So I believe to find this level, particular candle that we have here, to pick our trade, I'll be taking everything. Trade, then I'll be kind of looking for where here, which is having our liquidity monthly projection. And we've also set our trade for today. So I know happen today being Friday, but we have a lot of high impact news that is going to, or might not achieve it today. You know, this is a long-term trade. So let's just leave it that way. And let's go to NAS and see what we can capitalize on for both today and for the month. We did have a nice trade on NAS yesterday, and this is what is actually making me to kind of like I'm just wasting my trade here and there. As we can see that this trade can within 3 hours we are out of the trade. So I'm going to like be having, this is so funny. But I only pick 1 to 2. But I'm okay with that too. I don't want to wait that long. But I guess I'm going to like, okay, we are moving toward our week low or week high. I'm going to be having 1 to 5 trades. But if we want to quickly trade against it, then I can just be projecting 1 to 2, 1 to 3 in the market. And that will kind of give us an opportunity to maximize all these beautiful trades we've been having here and there. So this trade has already played out and try to see what we can capitalize on in the market. And this level can kind of give us serve as mitigation today into the market, because we have this liquidity. This is a very big liquidity void, and that's liquidity void. We have this this internal structure. If we go on lower time frame, you see what we can capitalize on and refresh yesterday's trade. So this can serve as a reclaim order block, because we can see that it did send price up. We did have some reaction, and it's higher time frame order block. So it can serve as a reclaim order block. But at the same time, if we're going to have manipulation into the market, this particular trade that I have here, and what I'm going to just do is to increase it to 5, just like I did the 5. It's going to be a very long time. So we have 890 times 5. So it's going to is a risk anyway. So it's going to be a risky trade, because we can have market coming back into this level and reading these 2 legs. We are opening monthly candles opening today. So might not happen today. I'm going to keep the trades there. I'll keep it. I'm going to keep it. So this will be my trade. So that will be all in reviewing what might likely happen today. We might have this internal structure. So let's see 1 hour. Try to see. You can see as market is trading above. It's ranging here, so we can have this internal structure, but we have liquidity above it. So it's going to be a risky trade anyway. We have this little other block that's been created in Asia. So aside, so we have this big liquidity void which can't hold price. I believe this level can hold price way down. So you can have another shot from here, but it's going to be a very risky trade. The only risk maybe 0.5 kind of open. So since it's toward that direction, I said we're going to kind of be having some down movements these days. So this trade might be out 5 times 5. So that since it's toward that trade, we can have it to be 1 to 5, but I can close it based on any reaction we are seeing. Let's check 1 4 hour to validate it first. So okay. Yeah, this liquidity void happens to be kind of happening above this level. So I guess we can expect the internal structure to. Internal structure is lying on the liquidity void on 4 hour, and I will still be holding on to my trading. I'll be holding on to it, and the price line, the 50% of the orange. So what we'll be expecting from this level is kind of like a retracement and give us a fair value for all the imbalances that we have within this leg. But for today, anything can happen in the market. And I believe the market is just zooming down. If we check daily, you can see the impulsive movements that we are having here and there. So see the impulsive movements that we are having. The market can come to this level, react from it, or the price lower. Anything can happen. We have a lot of high impact news today. So that's my lower time frame trade for now. For now. We are having a kind of, but I don't trust it. News is coming. I can have a manipulation above this equal high, which will be taking this liquidity before actually going down. what I can see, but we have some reaction from this level. We already have a minor structure shift, but I'm not trusting it yet because it didn't break any structure yet. So I'm going to, this video is actually long somehow, but it will be worth it because we are at the beginning of a new month. So let's go on monthly to see what we can capitalize on. Monthly. Okay. But you can see what the new month is doing already. Let's hide any of this. Hide rectangle. Let everything be hidden. Trend line be hidden. Hide. So, okay. So this. Okay. Okay. Monthly. Let's quickly start to. That was our monthly low. Previous monthly low. From what we are seeing, we can see that this previous monthly high will be protected. But anything can happen in the market, and we're going to, MCO, which is our monthly close open. Let's see weekly what we can see. We can have some kind of retracement up before price will be sent down. So we have this monthly low will be rated as we break. It has already break it, but we want a close. So it has already swept the previous 50 above the high. So which is kind of telling us that okay, we can have a deeper retracement is not safe. So if we're going to have some kind of trade with this something, then we can just stick to our what is it called? Okay. I have this level here. Let's try to see what this level is. So on daily. So if markets can kind of react, reverse into that level before coming down. But this NAS, I'm not going to have any monthly trade damage, except I want to pick it from this level, this reclaim order block, this is orange. So I want to pick it from that level into this weekly, short it into this monthly low. So we're having this high something. I would like it to be somehow 185, 1485 times 5. So we can be expecting 74. That level should be able to replicate itself in 5 places. It's a long-term trade. If this level is being supported, then our other trades might not hold this particular trade above this level. Then this place can support price into going over, because we have a proper mitigation for us to kind of like, but I'll be holding on to a trade above this level. So I'll be holding on to it. So I'll be holding on to all my trades, because anything can happen in the markets. Anything can happen in the markets. Anything. I'm trade. And this one, I'll be risking this one for today. This particular one here, I'll still be holding this trade. So as we go, today is Friday. So all these trades, it might happen today, it might not happen today. Monthly trade, you should know that. You should patiently wait for that one. And that'll be all for today. Let's go. Today is Friday, so both low expectation and high expectation, but we can anticipate a lot of things. And monthly open, set your monthly projections, and we can capitalize on it for the month. So that will be all for today. Happy new month once again. Enjoy your trading month, enjoy your trading day, and have a profitable day. Thank you very much.